guys, welcome back to Creativity and Inspiration. How's everyone doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. I just want to say thank you for all the love and support. It means a lot. But today our video, as you can see from the title, is how our tips how you can journal or sketch or both every day. So let's just jump in because you know what? It's already January 14th. How many of you have not been journaling or using a sketchbook or an art journal like you promised yourself or you set a goal or whatever at the beginning of the year? How many of you have already kind of fallen off on that? Raise your hand. Okay, well this one is for you. Maybe you've fallen off because you don't have any ideas, or maybe you're not in the mood. I've got some tips for you. So let's jump into this video. Okay, guys. So what are my 10 go-to tips when I hit that mid-January lull and I don't want to journal, or I don't want to get in my sketchbook, or I don't want to do both anymore? The first tip is make your journal or your sketchbook. You can see my sketchbook's really plain. Make your sketchbook or your journal inviting. Make your cover something that you want to go to every day and open and journal or sketchbook in. This is my self-care journal. It's not very used. I'm working on this one. But as you can see, it's a beautiful journal. I love this journal. I just haven't started using it yet, but I will. Now this journal, as you can see, has lots of tabs, lots of stuff. I use this journal all the time. It's sparkly, it's cute. It's got a bee, like I said, sparkly. And this is like an art idea journal for me. So I use this one all the time. I love it. And then this is one that was sent to me after Larry passed away. And it's a widow's journal. I know I haven't used it yet. When I am ready, I will. But look how beautiful it is. See, they made the book something, it's calming, it's beautiful. You want to journal in it, even if what it's about is not so happy. And again, these same tips apply to sketchbooks. If I wanted to make this boring sketchbook more inviting, I could put paper over it. I could put fabric. I could spruce up my cover to make me want to open it more. So that's the first tip. Make your journal or your sketchbook something that you want to pick up. The second one is create a cozy space for journaling. And I'm going to show you a couple of different ones. It can be a cozy nook in a room where you put a chair and you have a table for a cup of coffee or a hot chocolate or a soda, whatever, a glass of wine, whatever you want. You could you could journal or sketchbook in your bedroom, in your bed. Make it nice and cozy, a beautiful thick comforter, something like that. So those are some ideas for creating an inviting space to journal. The third tip isn't more about the act of journaling, but what you could journal. And when I'm stuck, I like to journal the here and now. What's going on? I'm in my craft room. I see a bunch of paint. I might sketch out all my paint sitting over there. I might write in my journal about the colors and what I think about them. So sketch or journal your here and now. Another about what goes inside your journal or your sketchbook. Sketch about your day, not the bad things. The bad things we do something else with. the good things. Only put positivity into a journal that you're going to use every day. Only put positivity into a sketchbook. And you might be going, well, that's not realistic. Well, no, it's not. But it makes going back and doing a daily journal entry or a daily sketchbook way easier. You could also journal or sketch about your most frequent dream or goal. Say you have a dream of becoming president of your company. Draw a desk with president on it. Draw yourself sitting behind the desk. Write about what are you doing? What are you manifesting? What are you doing to make your dream come true? Journal, sketch your favorites. It could be anything. Your favorite clothes, your favorite foods, your favorite colors. Write about how they make you feel. Write about the story of where you got your favorite outfit. Why is it your favorite? This next one is my favorite because it's kind of a both location and inspiration for inside a journal or sketchbook. And that is go outside. And if it's winter, look out a window. What are you seeing? What's it make you feeling? Write that in your journal. Or what are you seeing? Sketch it. It doesn't have to be warm and beautiful to do an outside inspiration. Maybe to go outside, but not to be inspired. How many of you are big doodlers when you're sitting on the phone and you just find yourself with a pen and paper? I do that constantly. All the time. It's probably a bad habit. But doodle in your journal. Doodle in your sketchbook. And then in your journal, write about what you see in your doodles. In your sketchbook, connect the dots. Did you just create an abstract masterpiece? Or draw a picture over your doodles. How cool does it look? If you have pets, look at your pets. They can be a great source of inspiration for journal entries and sketchbook. And lastly, look in a mirror. If you're doing sketchbook, do study your eyes, study the contours of your face, your nose, the coloring of your skin. If you're journaling, journal what does your eyes remind you of? Have you fought an acne battle and now you're happy? What was that journey like? Those are all 10 easy tips to keep journaling or to start journaling if you haven't. Like I said, it's January 14th, and I guarantee a lot of us by now have stopped journaling or doing our daily journal, our daily sketchbook. So these are 10 tips to keep you going. So guys, I hope you enjoyed these 10 tips to get you maybe jump started again on that daily journal or that daily sketchbook practice. Or maybe if you haven't started, this will make it less daunting because you have some ideas now. And you can expand all of those ideas, looking around your own home and inside your own life. Guys, thank you for being here. We will be creating on our next video. I have a great one for you. And coming up for my artists out there, we're going to be using these. These are pure pigment. And these are the art graph. I have the primary colors, and I also have the more muted colors. I got these last year, and we didn't get a chance to use them. We're going to do that very soon. And my journalers... Sorry about that. And my journalers, we are going to have some new ideas to use. And my journalers, I have some new material ideas for you coming up, and we'll create a signature from these. So I will see you all. I want to say today is Wednesday. I want to say I'll see you on Saturday. I'm hoping. I'm trying, guys. It's just a lot. But anyway, I promise Hopefully you'll have a new video up by Saturday, and we'll be talking some new journaling techniques with new supplies. I'll see you Saturday. Bye, guys.